Hello everyone and welcome to day 2 of Holiday Hustle. We have 5 minutes on the clock. Let's not waste any time. We're gonna start on our sides in 3, 2, 1. Lay down on your side, shoulder comes down, bottom shoulder that is. Pause if you need to. Top arm overhead, reach up. Good, reach up. How do you make this a little bit easier? Pull your knees to your chest instead. Otherwise, come up. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. Like I said, we're getting right into it. All right, expectation is you know how to move. 10, but don't get discouraged if guess what? One thing's hard. 12, stay on your side for side plank. Scissor your feet, left foot in front of right foot if you're on your right forearm. Other way around if you're on your left. Drop your bottom knee if you need to. Hold. 5, 4, 3, lay on your back. We'll do the other side in a second. 2, 1. Remember the side you did. Quick flip onto your back, please. Good. Hands behind your head. We do bicycles. Twist, 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 twist. Good. Move across that body. Work your rotation. Kick your legs out in front of you, please. Let's do this. 8, 7, 6, 5, beautiful. 4, side to side with me. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, big rock. Find that boat again. We worked through this yesterday. This time, hands at your chest. We twist right, left, right, left. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, other side of that variation, laying on your bottom shoulder. Maybe you just flip away from me. I'm turning to face you. Bottom shoulder down. We have 12. Reach over the head. Up, up. How do you make it easier? Pull it in. Pull it in. Good. We have 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on, come on. 4, 3, 2, one more rep. 1, beautiful. Find that side plank on your forearm. I'm on my left forearm, so my right foot stacks in front of my left. I'm keeping my knees up, but if you need to, lower that bottom knee for support. Press up with your hips. 5, 4, 3, on your back in 2, 1, lower. Bicycles, knees to chest in 3, 2, 1, hands behind the head. You guys are over that halfway marker. We just got to keep moving. Again, if you get done in 5 and you say, give me more, then guess what? Do day 1 again. Or repeat day 2 twice. Like I said yesterday, 10 is better than 5 if you have the time. 5, 4, I'm counting every other. 3, come on. 2, 1, woo, rock it on up. Chest is up, core is tight, hands are at your heart. Twist, 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 twist. Yes, move with me. Getting closer to that 90-second marker. Come on, let's do this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, oh baby, 1. That was tough. Give me a big flip over. High plank, top of a push-up position. Good, core is nice and tight. Breathe. Lift your right foot. 4, 3, 2. Take your right foot out to the right. 4, 3, 2. Bring it back. Lift your left. 4, 3, 2. Bring your left foot out to the left. 4, 3, 2. Bring it back. Good. Pull your right foot up. Pull your left foot up. Right, left, right. Drop your knees if you need to. Work from a knee down plank. Last 4. Last 3. Come on. Last 2. 1 more each side. Good. 1. Exhale, knees down. Forearms down, ending on our forearms like we did before. We have about 30 seconds on the clock, okay? You're going forward, back, forward, back. It's a jigsaw. So you're sawing right through the center. Yes, you are. Good. Push those hips forward. Push back with your heels. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Good. We're narrowing it down to that last 10 seconds. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, keep those knees off the ground. You've got this. Come on, come on. Final 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, beauties, you did it. Knees down. Woo. Stretch more if you need to. Click repeat. Or I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye, guys.